Have you ever noticed how a simple walk can change your entire mood? One moment you're feeling sluggish, and the next you feel refreshed, lighter, and more alive. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Walking isn't just about moving your feet, it's about boosting your health, improving your mood, and adding more vibrant years to your life. But here's the catch. Not all walking is created equal. If you're over 65, the way you walk can make all the difference between a healthy, active lifestyle and unnecessary pain or injury. That's why today we're diving into how seniors should walk to stay healthy, strong, and independent for years to come. As we age, staying active becomes more important than ever. But let's be honest, many seniors struggle with joint pain, balance issues, or simply a lack of motivation. Maybe you've told yourself, "I used to walk all the time, but now my knees don't agree with me." Sound familiar? Well, here's the good news. Walking can still be your best friend. You just need to walk the right way, with simple adjustments that protect your joints, improve your posture, and maximize the health benefits. Whether you want to keep up with your grandkids, reduce the risk of falls, or just feel more energized, this video will show you exactly how to walk in a way that keeps you healthy and happy. Number 1, posture is everything. Walk tall, walk strong. Let's start with the foundation of good walking. Your posture. If you've ever caught yourself slouching, looking down, or dragging your feet while walking, you're not alone. But poor posture can lead to back pain, joint strain, and even an increased risk of falling. The way you carry yourself affects your balance, endurance, and overall comfort, so mastering proper posture is key. Here's the right way to walk for better stability, reduced strain, and improved energy. Stand tall. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head upward. Keep your back straight, chest open, and shoulders relaxed. Avoid hunching forward or leaning too far back, as both can throw off your balance and strain your spine. A tall posture keeps your weight evenly distributed, reducing pressure on your joints. Look ahead, not down. Your natural instinct might be to watch your feet, but looking downward while walking can strain your neck and increase fall risk. Instead, focus your eyes 10 to 15 feet ahead, keeping your chin parallel to the ground. This improves balance, encourages proper posture, and helps you react to obstacles more easily. Engage your core for stability. Your core muscles, including your abdomen and lower back, are your body's natural stabilizers. A weak core can lead to poor posture and back pain, so lightly tighten your stomach muscles while walking. Think of it as gently pulling your belly button toward your spine. This small adjustment strengthens your midsection and prevents unnecessary strain on your lower back. Heel-to-toe movement for joint protection. Many people shuffle their feet or stomp when they walk, which creates impact on the knees and hips. Instead, focus on a smooth heel-to-toe motion. This means land on your heel first. Roll smoothly through the middle of your foot. Push off with your toes. This absorbs shock naturally, reduces impact on your joints, and improves walking efficiency, meaning you can walk longer without discomfort. Keep your arms moving naturally. Your arms help maintain balance and momentum while walking. Instead of holding them stiffly at your sides, let them swing naturally. Keep elbows slightly bent and avoid clenching your fists. This relaxed movement keeps your upper body engaged, prevents stiffness, and adds to your walking rhythm. By making these small but powerful adjustments, you'll notice less strain, better balance, and more confidence with every step. Over time, good posture will feel natural, keeping you strong, steady, and energized for years to come. Number 2, the right pace. Walk like Goldilocks. Not too fast, not too slow. Now that you've got your posture right, let's talk about how fast you should be walking. Many seniors make one of 2 common mistakes. First one, walking too slowly. This may feel safe, but it actually reduces muscle engagement, weakens balance, and provides fewer cardiovascular benefits. A slow, sluggish walk doesn't challenge your body enough to improve strength and endurance. Second one, walking too fast. Speeding up beyond your comfort zone can increase the risk of falls, overstrain your joints, and leave you feeling exhausted too quickly. If you feel out of breath within a few minutes, you're likely pushing too hard. The key: a steady, moderate pace that keeps you moving without overexertion or discomfort. Here's how to find your ideal walking speed. Use the talk test. The easiest way to gauge your pace is to check your breathing. You should be able to hold a conversation comfortably while walking, but your breathing should be slightly heavier than usual. If you can talk but feel a bit winded, that's perfect. If you can sing a song without effort, pick up the pace. If you're gasping for air, slow down. Shorter, quicker steps are better. Instead of taking long strides, which can throw off your balance and put extra strain on your knees, take short, steady steps. This allows you to stay in control, maintain stability, and reduce joint impact. Find your rhythm. Think of your walking pace like a comfortable drum beat, a steady, even rhythm that feels natural and easy to maintain. Avoid starting too fast and burning out, or slowing down too much and missing the benefits. Aim for consistency, not speed. Instead of alternating between fast bursts and stopping to rest, try to walk at a steady, moderate pace for 15 to 30 minutes. If you're just starting out, even 10 minutes a day is a fantastic way to build endurance gradually. Remember, walking isn't about racing to the finish line. It's about sustained movement, steady progress, and building strength over time. A comfortable, controlled pace keeps your heart strong, joints pain-free, and energy levels high, helping you walk longer and feel better every day. Number 3, step with confidence. Avoid shuffling and strengthen your stride. One of the biggest challenges seniors face when walking is shuffling feet instead of taking full steps. Shuffling may feel safer, but in reality, it increases the risk of tripping, weakens leg muscles, and reduces walking efficiency. Instead, focusing on strong, intentional steps will help you stay steady, build strength, and prevent falls. Here's how to step with confidence and avoid dangerous habits. Lift your feet fully off the ground. Shuffling happens when you drag your feet instead of lifting them. This increases the risk of catching your foot on uneven pavement, rugs, or small obstacles. To fix this, make a conscious effort to pick up your feet slightly with each step, not too high, just enough to clear the ground naturally. Engage your leg muscles. A strong, controlled step comes from using your thighs, calves, and hips together. When walking, focus on using your entire leg to push forward rather than just moving your feet. This not only prevents shuffling, but also strengthens your lower body, improving mobility and endurance over time. Maintain a natural stride length. Some seniors shorten their steps too much out of caution, while others overextend their stride to cover more ground quickly. Both habits can lead to instability. Instead, aim for a comfortable, natural step that allows smooth movement without overreaching or feeling restricted. Keep your feet straight, not turned outward. Over time, some people develop a habit of pointing their feet outward while walking. This can strain the knees and reduce stability. Instead, make sure your feet are pointing forward in a straight line with each step. Practice in a safe space. If you're trying to correct a shuffling habit, start by walking indoors on a smooth surface with support nearby, like a hallway or along a sturdy railing. Focus on lifting your feet, taking full steps, and engaging your legs. With time, it will become second nature. By making these small but important adjustments, you'll walk more efficiently, strengthen your legs, and reduce the risk of falls. Every confident step you take is an investment in your mobility, independence, and long-term health. Number 4, engage your core, the secret to better balance and stability. Your legs do the walking, but your core does the stabilizing. A strong core helps you stay balanced, prevent falls, and maintain good posture while walking. If your core muscles are weak, you might find yourself wobbling, leaning forward, or struggling with uneven surfaces. Engaging your core while walking will make each step feel stronger, steadier, and more controlled. Here's how to activate your core for better stability. Stand tall and tighten your stomach muscles. Before you start walking, take a deep breath and gently pull your belly button toward your spine. This activates your core muscles, giving your body a solid foundation. Keep this light tension as you walk. Don't hold your breath, just stay engaged. Avoid slouching or leaning forward. Many seniors develop a habit of hunching over or looking down at their feet while walking. This puts pressure on your lower back and throws off your balance. Instead, keep your chest lifted, shoulders back, and eyes looking straight ahead. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head toward the sky. Swing your arms naturally. Your arms help with balance, so let them move freely as you walk. Keep a gentle bend in your elbows and swing your arms opposite to your legs. When your right foot steps forward, your left arm should move forward and vice versa. This natural movement engages your core and improves stability. Take steady, even steps. When your core is engaged, it helps you distribute your weight evenly with each step. Avoid sudden movements or dragging your feet. Focus on smooth, controlled steps that keep you balanced. Try simple core exercises. If you struggle with balance, adding a few gentle core exercises like seated leg lifts or standing knee raises can strengthen your midsection and improve your walking stability over time. By engaging your core, you'll walk with better balance, reduce the risk of falls, and improve your overall strength. A strong core doesn't just support your walking, it helps with every movement in daily life, keeping you active and independent for years to come. Number 5. Use proper footwear. The right shoes can prevent falls and improve comfort. Wearing the right shoes is one of the most important but often overlooked aspects of safe walking. Poor footwear can lead to slips, trips, and joint pain, while the right shoes provide support, stability, and comfort. Here's what to look for when choosing the best walking shoes. Flat, non-slip soles. Avoid shoes with thick, heavy soles or high heels, as they can throw off your balance. Instead, choose flat, rubber-soled shoes with good traction to prevent slipping on smooth or uneven surfaces. A snug, supportive fit. Shoes that are too loose can cause instability, while shoes that are too tight can lead to discomfort and circulation problems. Look for secure-fitting shoes that hold your foot firmly without pinching. Velcro straps or slip-on designs with a snug fit can be great options. Good arch support. Proper arch support helps distribute weight evenly across your feet, reducing strain on your ankles, knees, and hips. If your shoes don't provide enough support, consider using orthotic insoles designed for your foot shape. Lightweight and flexible. Heavy shoes can make walking more tiring and increase the risk of tripping. Opt for lightweight, flexible shoes that allow your foot to move naturally while still providing support. Closed-toe design. Open-toe sandals and flip-flops lack stability and increase the chance of stubbing your toes or tripping. Choose closed-toe shoes that protect your feet while walking. Check and replace worn-out shoes. Over time, shoes lose their cushioning and grip. If the soles of your shoes are worn down, uneven, or smooth, it's time to replace them. Worn-out shoes can increase joint pain and decrease stability. The right footwear makes a huge difference in comfort, confidence, and safety while walking. Investing in proper walking shoes will help you stay steady, pain-free, and active for years to come. Conclusion. Small steps, big impact. Aging isn't about slowing down. It's about moving the right way so you can stay strong, independent, and full of life. Whether it's fixing your posture, finding the right pace, protecting your joints, or making walking fun, these small changes add up to a healthier, happier you. The next time you step outside, walk with purpose, confidence, and joy. Your body will thank you, your mind will feel sharper, and most importantly, you'll be taking control of your health. one step at a time. If you found these walking tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future health and wellness tips. And if you have a favorite walking routine or tip, share it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep moving, keep smiling, and enjoy every step of the journey.